It's a good gig, competitive rates, great benefits. You never get bored. There's always new equipment to work on. The learning curve, it's great.
We also have a good team. You can always lean on another tech if you need a hand with anything.
Flexibility in the scheduling is pretty easygoing. You've got your general maintenance, and then you also have your repairs to deal with. So look forward to meeting new people and working with new people.
We've got a great team all around us. They provide great training for anyone willing to start out. Great work-life balance is a big thing.
I like my customers. I enjoy the diversity of the different places, new faces, new places all the time. Different trucks, different equipment, diesel, propane, electric, you got pretty much everything.
The freedom of building your own schedule, not stuck at a desk looking at the same screen every day and going and seeing different customers, different locations, different machines.
Never a dull moment.
Never a dull moment.